All right, I'm Dr. Deuk, and today is the 17th of June 2020, and I have with me here one of my lovely patients who had the Deuk laser disc repair just a week ago.
Just a week ago. I was doing my dance at home right after the surgery.
Yeah.
I was too embarrassed to do it in front of you guys, but I was. My God, I'm so human again. The fog is gone. The pain is gone. Absolutely not 1 ounce of pain where you did surgery. Not an ounce.
So you're happy?
Oh my God, I'm jumping through the roof. I'm living life now. I'm not existing anymore. I'm literally living now.
In just 1 week?
No, 1 day.
1 day.
One day.
So I know we mentioned this last time you did this for us. What would you say to the people out there that say back pain can't be cured? Would you tell them they're right or they're wrong?
You're way wrong. You're looking in the wrong area. You're talking to the wrong people. You need to come see this guy. I'm not kidding you. He literally gave me my life back. Literally.
Well, I'm very happy for you. And it's amazing what a difference it makes in people's lives when you make the right diagnosis about the cause of the pain and then you do the right treatment that gets rid of it. So you're a living testimony of that.
You're living here. I mean, you need a badge, dude.
I just do what we do, and I got a great team of people that help facilitate it. So
everybody here has absolutely been wonderful. I mean, wow, right on it. And I've been to other surgeons, and I've never felt like I was part of a team, because when I first came to see you on May 18th, I told you I was looking for a team, and you said you got one, and God bless you, buddy, you meant it.
Well, God is part of that team.
Absolutely.
You mentioned something that, and every patient that does an interview talks about something different that's important to them. You mentioned a fog. And I agree with you.
It's there.
When you're in pain all the time, your brain can't focus on what's important. You can't enjoy life.
I couldn't make a bowl of cereal. I couldn't cook dinner anymore. I couldn't go to the grocery store because I call it brain pain. It literally takes over the creative side and the functional side of my brain. I would get out of bed, take 3 steps, and turn back around and go to bed and cry. And I did that for 2 years.
2 years.
2 years.
Why didn't anyone else help you before you found us?
I went from, I gotta do this on camera, I went from one just not real smart man to the next until God sent me.
God did send you, and I believe that. I truly believe that. But you're saying you went from doctor to doctor, basically, and you couldn't figure out what was wrong.
No, because none of them would put their hands on me and touch me. But he really does his job, guys. He doesn't look at you and say, okay, let's try this, try that. He touches you. He physically touches you. And that is the most important part to getting these diagnoses. Because if the man's not willing to touch you, get out of his office and get your butt over here. Because I'm telling you, I was on his table within 2 weeks of the first visit. They don't play. They don't play.
Yeah. Well, you bring up another important point, and you keep bringing up important points, and I want to touch on that. That is that you, as a doctor, if you want to find the source of a patient's pain, you must put your hands on their body, especially back pain, because there's 32 different causes. And the doctor has to literally figure out where that pain is coming from. Because if you fix this thing over here, it will not cure the pain coming from this area. So doctors must use the patient's physical exam to guide their treatment when it comes to
well, you had to, because when I came in here, I had so much pain, and I was trying so hard to tell you where it hurt, but I couldn't because it hurt so bad everywhere. And then when you started touching me, the direction came. But then not just the direction, the hope. The hope came at the same time. Even before the surgery, I had hope again. And having hope again, that's beyond. I love you.
And it's so funny because, like I said, you're just on a roll here. Because I go out there on the internet and I try to help people by first giving them hope that their problem can be cured. Because there's such a strong belief in the community, in the world, that chronic back pain is something you've got to live with the rest of your life. But it's not. You just need the right diagnosis and you need the right treatment, and we can do that. And I'm not trying to steer people here. I'm trying to steer people to doctors that can cure them. And there's not a lot of them. That's the problem.
That is the problem. That is the problem, because I'm telling you, like I said, I saw 3 surgeons, and you're the first one that literally touched me. And I came alive again because I knew it was real. And then when I watched that surgery, holy crap. Yeah, it's like, okay, that's impressive. And it just wasn't brutal.
You watched your own surgery.
Yeah,
and I want to clarify that because
my own.
we film everyone's surgery, we stream it live, and we give every one of our patients a copy of their surgery so they can watch it. It's pretty cool, huh?
I did, and it just wasn't brutal. It was just gentle hands, and the direction was amazing. I mean, I hope you have people following you in your footsteps for when you do get to retire, which you would deserve one day.
I'm trying to get a good surgeon to come here and train, but it's hard to find doctors that are willing to admit that they don't have all the technology or technique yet to cure people. They all think that they are providing the best service available, and they tell patients 50-50 chance of getting better with your back pain. No, we can make it 100% chance of getting better with your back pain. Maybe we can't get rid of 100% of the pain all the time, but we have 100% chance of making it better.
He did say that in living proof. He's not joshing, folks. This guy's for real. He's the deal. So don't waste your time anymore. Quit searching.
Well, thank you so much, and I'm very excited for you.
Oh man, thank you.
All right.